Hi guys, thanks for watching. Today we've got a quick video for how to install Remootio on a Roger B70 1DC control panel. This is the standard control panel for the brushless 24 volt and 24 volt sliding motors from Roger Technology. What I'm going to highlight here for you so you can see is I've already pre-wired the terminals. We've got one control cable going to common and AP, which is going to be our open command. One control cable going from common and CH, which is the close command. You could, if you wanted, use the PP, which is a step-by-step command, and a PED command, so common to PP or common to PED for those. What we've got here, because this motor's getting ready, this is a replacement for a job we're doing on Tuesday. This is to go into the existing photocell supply. This is our power feed to the motor. I think it's the electronic brake, and then this is our power to our Remootio. What we've also got is on the Roger panels we have this programmable COR terminal, and I'm going to show you we're going to program this to give us a normally closed, normally open signal to use for gate status instead of having to install the magnetic sensor. So next steps, I'm going to show you getting the Remootio wired on. So guys, we've now got this one wired in. What I'm going to show you is you've got your power cable coming up through here. That's going into your 24 volt and common terminal up here, joined with your mains powers and your powers for your accessories of your gate, i.e. your photocells, keypad, or whatever that is. We've then wired into the common terminal and the AP and CH terminals. So we're using the input 1 for open, output 1 for open, output 2 for closed, and input 1 we've got set. We're going to flip the logic and we're going to set the COR terminal on the Roger board to option 5 in the menu. I believe it's menu 80 to option 5, could be wrong, but it's the option that controls the COR terminal field. And then if you watch our other video for programming your Remootio, you can then work out how to do the functions that you need to do, but that's how you wire it into a Roger B70 1DC sliding gate motor. Thanks for watching.